In this video I would like to show you how you can use any MIDI controller together with FiveLoop in order to use a foot controller to control online videos. So in the previous video we installed FiveLoop and I showed you how it works over the control panel, but there is also the possibility to use a Midi Footswitch. So when you installed FiveLoop, there should be a FiveLoop icon here also on the right top side of the browser. If you do not have this icon, right click here on the menu bar and then you see the FiveLoop icon here and you can just drag and drop and place it wherever you want here on the top. So go ahead and open this menu and you can see the control elements also here on top. You can use these as well if you want, but they're basically here in order to assign buttons from a MIDI controller to those functions. So you can use any MIDI controller. This here is one that works over USB, but you can also use your normal audio interface and use a normal MIDI controller. So I take this USB and plug it in. And as you can see now on the bottom here, found MIDI controller, it just recognized this Gboard controller. So now what we want to do is click on Start MIDI Learn Mode. And you can see that all the buttons here turn blue. And now I can assign those buttons. And how it works is basically I select one button. Let's start with a rewind. And now the FiveLoop is listening for the MIDI controller. And I can press this button here because I want to use it as rewind. Then play pause, I use this button. And forward, this button. Loops, let's use this one. Speed down, this one. Speed up, this one. Now you press done. And now you can control the video. Let's go in full screen first. Now you can control the video using the Footswitch.